बाबु जा हो म तँलाई पिट्छु मैले
आदित्य ताली बजाऊ छोरो
ताली बजाऊ ताली बजाऊ ताली बजाऊ ताली बजाइदेऊ छोरी ताली बजाइदेऊ 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 ताली बजाइदेऊ
Look like you
मेरो भान्जो किन पैसा रुक न म माइजू पैसा कमाउन पैसा कमाएर के गर्ने हो मेरो भान्जोले मामालाई र मम्मीलाई दिने मामालाई कति दिने मम्मीलाई कति दिने ए मामालाई 3 लाख मम्मीलाई 3 लाख दिने ए ल अनि मामाले त सबै खाइदियो भने के गर्ने त अनि फेरि दिने आम्मा मेरो भान्जो त कति माया गर्नु छ मामालाई अनि तँ फेरि दिएको पैसा पनि खाइदियो भने के गर्ने ए ल त्यसो भए त मैले भान्जाको पैसा राखिदिन्छु है ठुलो भएपछि अनि काठमाडौँ गएर के काम गर्ने त अनि के काम गर्ने इन्जिनियर बन्ने कि मिस्त्री इन्जिनियर अनि इन्जिनियर बन्न त पढ्नु पर्यो नि त टन्नै अनि तिमी पढ्न पनि मान्दिन्यौ कि विदेश जाने हो र काठमाडौँ जाने हो किन विदेश नजाने काठमाडौँ जाने चाहिँ किन नि फेरि भान्जो विदेश नजाने काठमाडौँ जाने चाहिँ किन नि फेरि भन त
विदेशमा फेरि मिस्त्री बनाउँछ
मिस्त्री ए अनि पढेर गयो भने त बनाउँदैन त पढेर नगयो भने पो बल्ल मिस्त्री बनाउने हो र
घरमै काम गर्ने
घरमा भाँडा माझ्ने काम गर्ने के काम गर्ने त अनि भान्जो
होटलमा बसेर काम पकाउने
ए होटलमा बसेर काम पकाउने
होटलमा बसेर खाना पकाउने
अनि तिमीले सबै खाना खाइदिन्छौ भने त्यही मैले
खाइदिन्न
होटलमा भएको सबै खाना खाइदिन्छन् भन्ने सुनेको थिएँ मैले त्यही भएर भने नि अनि यता आउनु त ल मामालाई त्यसमा 3 लाख रुपियाँ दिने मामालाई ए ल मेरो भान्जालाई मैले कति रुपियाँ दिन्छु थाहा छ मेरो भान्जालाई मैले मेरो भान्जालाई चाहिँ पैसा दिन्छु है फेरि मलाई दिन्छ कि दिन्नौ ए ल भान्जाले कसलाई माया गर्छौ माइजूलाई मम्मीलाई अनि मामालाई अनि बुढो दिदीलाई यति 4 जनामा हटाउनु पऱ्यो भने कसलाई हटाउँछौ ल भने एकजनालाई हटाउनु पऱ्यो यहाँबाट छिटो होइन भन न एकजनालाई हटाउनु पऱ्यो कि 4 जनामा माया गर्ने मान्छे 3 जनालाई मात्रै राख्नु पऱ्यो तिमीले एकजनालाई हटाउनु पऱ्यो कसलाई हटाउँछौ माइजूलाई हटाउँछौ मलाई हटाउँछौ मम्मीलाई हटाउँछु कि बुन दिदीलाई हटाउँछौ मैले माइजूलाई हटाइदिन्छु तिमीले कसलाई हटाउँछौ म हामी दुईटालाई हटाउनु माइजूलाई र मलाई कसलाई हटाउँछौ मम्मीलाई हटाइन्छौ बुन दिदीलाई हटाइदिनु त्यसो भए अनि 4 जनालाई राख्न मिल्दैन कि फेरि ल भन फेरि त्यस्तो एन्सर नदिनु कि छिटो अब मैले एउटा कुरा भन्छु भान्जोलाई यहाँ भान्जो एउटा कुरा सोध्छु कि ल गनाए पाएको क्या तिमीले माइजूलाई माया गर्छौ कि मामालाई माया गर्छौ ल मैले भन्छु है त मैले तिमीले मलाई सोध ल होइन माइजूलाई कि माइजूलाई माया तिमीले सोध न मलाई माइजूलाई माया गर्नुहुन्छ कि मामा मलाई माया गर्नुहुन्छ कि बुन्दिलाई माया गर्नुहुन्छ भनेर सोध न मैले माया गर्छु मैले बुन्दिलाई माया गर्छु भाइलाई नि माया गर्छु माइजूलाई माया गर्छु तिमीलाई चाहिँ गर्दिनँ तिमीलाई सोध्छु मैले तिमीले मलाई माया गर्छौ कि माइजूलाई माया गर्छौ कि बुन्दिलाई माया गर्छौ मलाई नि माया गर्छौ मैले त गर्दिनँ फेरि ए मेरो भान्जो हाम्रो छोरीले कतिको पढ्छिन् यिनी कतिको ट्यालेन्ट छिन् भनेर आज चेक गर्न गइरहेको छु म। छोरीलाई मैले धेरै क्वेसन सोध्दिनँ, सर्टमा केही क्वेसनहरू सोध्छु जसले गर्दा उनको पढाइ कस्तो छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ एउटा अन्दाज लगाउन सकिन्छ। अलमोस्ट 5 to 7 क्वेसन मैले सोध्छु है त। ओके, बी रेडी?
Yes.
ओके, बी रेडी? ओके,
Yeah, okay.
आई एम गोइङ टु आस्क यु सम क्वेसन। डु यु वान्ट टु गिभ एन्सर इन इङ्ग्लिस or in Nepali? Which language you prefer? No, in which language you want to talk with me? Nepali or English? English?
Okay.
Okay. Who is the Prime Minister of Nepal?
Susila Karki.
Okay. Who is the President of Nepal?
I don't know.
Okay. How many districts are there in Nepal?
District.
What is the national bird of Nepal?
Dape.
Dafe? Dafe is Nepali, okay. Just give me in English answer. Quick. Which is the national color of Nepal?
Red.
What kind of red? Crimson red. What is the height of Mount Everest? Where is Gautam Buddha was born?
Lumbini.
And how many provinces are there in Nepal?
I don't know.
There are 7 provinces in Nepal.
Province.
Province means it's a area. Nepal is divided into 7 places. Okay.
Okay.
It is Pradesh number 1 is named as Koshi. Yes, Koshi. And Koshi, Bagmati, Lumbini, and Gandaki Pradesh, and many more. Okay.
Okay.
And which color do you like most?
Most like white.
Who is your principal?
Toyaram Paudel.
Okay. And what is your class teacher name?
My class teacher name is Risam. The third.
Resham Darji.
And
Okay. Which is your favorite teacher?
my favorite teacher name is Pushpak sir.
Okay. Which subject?
Science.
Which subject did he teach you?
Science subject.
Okay. And okay, thank you very much. Both, are you happy?
Yes.
Now I am going to ask you some questions. Okay, I will check your ability. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now I am going to ask some questions to Bunu. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Aditya Visakarma. I read in class 5 fruits. My favorite fruit is watermelon. My favorite color name is black.
Okay, and what else?
My mother name is Jamuna Visakarma. My father name is Kamal Visakarma. I love my family.
Okay.
And my hobby is drawing.
Okay. What kind of drawing you want to make? Or usually what kind of drawing you make?
Village, city.
No, okay. And now I am going to ask you some mathematical question, okay?
Okay.
Suppose you have 29 rupees. and you gave 17 rupees to your small brother, and what will be in your pocket?
कति रुपियाँ अरे
17 rupees.
फेरि भन्नु
Okay, I will repeat question again. Okay, suppose you have 29 rupees and you want to give 17 rupees to your small brother. Remaining what? How much remaining balance you have? Okay, I will ask another easy question. Okay, suppose, listen, just listen here. Okay, I will ask you another question. Suppose you have 17 rupees and you want to give 9 rupees to your small brother. How much money will you have?
12 अघि न क्यान्सर
12. Okay, tell me in English.
कति मेरो बारे अरे 12 हैन
Yes.
I have 12 rupees in my pocket.
Okay. And your small brother, come here. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Shishir Sonar.
Okay. No. You are not allowed to go. Just sit there. I will ask more question.
My favorite food name is
What is your favorite?
mango.
Oh, mango. Mango is fruit, not a color. Okay. Okay. No problem. Go ahead.
My favorite
What else?
color name is black.
Okay. Yes. And what else?
I live in Bhutan.
Okay. Good. Beautiful. Okay. And
My mother name is Ranjita Sunar.
okay. Where is your mother now?
Videsh.
Tell me in English, okay? Don't say Bidesh. Bidesh is Nepali word. Try to tell me in English. Where is your mother? My mother
My mother
is in
is in
abroad.
abroad.
Okay? Just repeat.
My
Repeat.
mother is
He-
airport.
No, abroad. It's abroad. Abroad.
It's abroad.
It's abroad. Okay. And did you add something? Did you add something?
Yes.
What did you add? What did you add? Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher name is Indira Sai.
Indira Sai. Okay. And what is your best friend name?
My best friend name is Monique MC.
What?
Monique MC.
Monith or Ronit?
Monique.
Monique. Okay. What do you want to be in your future? Doctor, engineer, pilot, technician, mechanic. What kind of job you want to do in your future?
Pilot.
Pilot. Okay. You love plane?
Yes.
What kind of plane you love? Big or small?
Small. It.
Only small plane you like? Huh? You like only small plane?
Yes.
Okay. So you want to be pilot in your future, okay?
Okay.
Suppose if you... okay. God bless you. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Next meeting.
Nice to meeting too.
त्यो उयो गर
फुटैछ यहाँ
शिशिर यहाँ आऊ त्यहाँ भाइसँग बस्छ जाऊ न सानो
Tell me about yourself. Hey, little boy. Little boy. Tell me about yourself.
What is your name?
Tell me about yourself. Hey, small boy. Small boy. Small boy.
ताली बजाऊ ताली बजाऊ छुनु मुनु छुनु मुनु छुनु मुनु छुनु मुनु हेर
सिरानीमा नटेक
बाजा
सिरानीमा हेर्न फेरि अर्को सिरानी
मेरो ढाड के भयो भान्जो थिचिदिन्छु